June, I'll be 71 years old and just had a complete hip replacement in December. Up until 2 years ago, I was active consistently. But 2 years ago, the pain in my left hip became such that I said I needed to go see a doctor. After I met with Dr. Stevens and saw her spirit and understood her bedside manner, I felt comfortable. I left the hospital the next day. I was up and walking shortly afterwards. And then after the surgery, I've noticed that the cut was just about 3 inches for a complete left hip replacement, and that aids in the healing process because it's not as long. Not only is the doctor top-notch, the staff and the nurses and the support folks that helped during my recovery process, I enjoyed all of them.